Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a Valentine's Day unboxing, even though I'm doing it literally like 2 weeks prior, but I already have the stuff and he already ordered and gave it to me. And so basically, hi, how are you doing? This video will most likely be uploaded next Sunday on Valentine's Day, so hey. Okay, first thing, I have a box here, guys. I have a box. Okay, so Kurt got me these Valentine's Day related Rice Krispie treats from our local Walmart. We've been shopping there a lot recently, so there's those. He also, I didn't open them in there. He also got me these little mini fruit by the foot little Valentine's Day things, because he knows I like fruit by the foot and I largely walk over there a lot of times eating a fruit by the foot. So hey, okay, now here comes the big box. Okay, he got me the Lindor. Okay, they're both pretty much. No, they're not. Okay, Lindor truffles. These ones are in strawberries and cream. Oh my god. Okay, those just fell. Lovely. He also got me some more Lindor truffles in milk with chocolate, I guess. Milk chocolate. Yes, ain't milk chocolate, people. Milk chocolate. And I thought they were cute. Okay, the big box. Now, some of you may know I'm in love with BTS. If you didn't know that I'm in love with BTS, well, I'm in love with BTS. So, what he did is he found me the little BTS dolls. This one's Cookie. And by the way, I really do love the little picture on the back of them. So, and I have literally all 7 dolls for all 7 members. I will show you guys who is who. Jungkook. Starting with the Magni line. Jimin. My favorite. Jimin. My favorite. V. Sugar. Of course, he's always going to be one of my favorites too. J-Hope. Jin. And RM. So he knew. He knows I'm in love with BTS. I've always been in love with BTS since 2019. And so he got me the dolls. And I know you can get these at Five and Below, but he got them on Amazon. And instead of paying okay, here's what happened. Okay, I called Five and Below and they didn't have them. So I called all 3 in my area, they didn't have them. So then I called, he said that he also saw them at Barnes and Noble. They didn't have them. So we ended up online. And people were asking outrageous amounts for these dolls. Like, just one of them they were asking for like $30. Well, I got all 7 of them for $63. So it turned out to be like 70 something because of shipping. But I'm happy. These things are my life. I don't know if I'm literally gonna end up taking them out of the box or not. I'll probably just keep them in the box for now. But I'm in love with these things. You know, you go on, I think one of the foreign websites, and there's more. So I'm happy we found these. Oh, okay. He found them. Okay, let's be real. I found them, but he paid for it, so still Valentine's Day. So, with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Like if you love BTS. I'm just kidding. Like if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell to be notified every time I post a video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.